Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we knew it was a bad idea, and we still think it's a bad idea, but Google went ahead anyway and put online new domain sites that are available. So, for example, we know the commercial sites are .com and educational sites are .edu or .net for some others, and so on. And of course, you see these URLs and the address bar at the top of your browser when you go somewhere. In this case, here's .ca for Canada. But they have now approved and are selling domain names that end .zip. And that's a really bad idea. And by the way, they also sell another bad idea, domain names that end by .mov. The idea could be interesting first because you're like, oh, movies. Well, yeah, it's also a file format. So anything that is a file format is a bad idea. And so there are, of course, a lot of phishing scams and attempts already on to try to lure you with this. So some of them are, of course, imitating these websites. Sign in with your Microsoft account, Microsoft Office.zip. Technically, most browsers actually warn you that it's not right, but it's obvious that this could be a major issue for some. And some of them are disguised, of course, as links on websites that end .zip, but they're actually file downloads that try to bring malware to your PC. So it just shows you how complex it could be for the average user that doesn't have that much knowledge about all of this in, getting malware or simply getting scammed with an account with phishing attempt like this, thinking it's all right. So you got to really, really make sure that, the browsers can tell you it's dangerous and never bypass and any warnings that something is dangerous when you're on your web browser. But the other big problem is, of course, the fact that, you'll also maybe have a .zip that is not a link to a website, but to a file that downloads to your PC that you might be tempted to click on and install. And, all the disguises that go around, like with .zip.exe, which just disguises a zip file in actually an executable file. And anyways, you could see how all of this is a bad idea, and I think Google needs to realize this. Already they've lowered the price of the .zip domains, but come on, anything that ends with a possibility of a extension for a file is not that great, and this is obviously, I think, a huge mistake on the part of Google to sell these domains. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.